Set the printed area to only print select calls and Google Sheets part 1. If you have your data only in spec- species calls on your worksheet you can configure and options you can configure an option so that Google Sheet only print those select calls. Number one, launch a web launch a web browser on your computer. Launch a web browser on your computer. Access Google Sheet and open the workbook you would like to print. Number two, select the calls you want to print in your workbook. Number three, select select file print from Google Sheet. Select file print from Google Sheet menu. Print from Google Sheet menu bar. Close close current sheet from the print drop down. Close the current sheet from the print drop down menu on the right. You you will see you current worksheet previous previous on the left previous on the left previous on the left. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel latest new video. Thank you.